Hi everybody, this is Dave, and this is my second Copart project. And you can see it's taken a pretty hard hit. There was a lot of interest on this vehicle. It's 2010 Chevy Suburban LTZ. The glass is not broken, but the battery's disconnected on it. It does have a broken windshield, so the door's got some significant damage to it. Um, this is, other than that, it's pretty good shape. It's a nice looking vehicle. Does need tires. Um, it's got 110,000 miles on it, and one reason I bought it, I didn't buy this to flip. I bought it because we're raising 5 grandkids, and we got that Cadillac right there that I bought before we had the fifth grandchild come to live with us. And we thought that was going to be big enough because it does have third row seating on it. Anyway, um, we've always wanted something a little bit bigger, something with more room. That the Cadillac's nice. I really enjoy driving it. It's a nice car. Gets around real good. Gets good gas mileage. But there's just not enough room. You get 5 kids, 2 car seats, and 3 bigger kids in there, and 2 adults, and there's no room for storage or anything like that. Can't put hardly anything in the back for like groceries and things like that at that point. So anyway, the lot I buy from is the Dayton, Ohio lot. I get on there and I usually go straight to no license required. This happened to be one of the lots that was up for sale and or up for auction, and so I was able to get it. Um, didn't see any frame damage. I'm hoping for my sake, because my wife is like extremely leery of this one, that there isn't any frame damage. I do have probably 90% of the parts I need lined up for this vehicle. I'm going to have to take a road trip to Lima, Ohio to get the front end for it at a yard up there. It's about probably 6 hour round trip for me, but it was the closest one. Um, Middle of the road pricing, about $3,600 for the front for it. The guy is throwing in a brand new fender for the driver's side. He had one, there was some damage on the front he's got. He said, hey, I got a brand new fender. I'm going to throw that in. A little damage on the hood. I got a brand new hood. If you want it too, I'll sell it to you at my cost. So I'm going to go up there and see what's going on with that. And, you know, um, when I get there, I'll make a decision on that. Passenger side fender appears to be okay, along with the headlight assembly looks to be okay. I'll know more about that after. Actually, I just didn't see that. It does have a crack right there. I got the glue kit that you can glue this stuff back together with, and hopefully it'll take care of that like it did on the Cavalier. Cavalier turned out good. It's been raining. It's been cold. Non-stop rain. This is the first time we've seen the sun in probably 4 days. Um, so anyway, I'm going to start stripping this thing down. Doesn't I think I said it needs tires. Not much tread left on. So anyway, um, we'll take a quick look inside. Leather interior, sunroof, does have blown back, obviously. Third row seating, of course, 2 DVD players. Um, my son says touchscreen. I'm not 100% sure on that yet because the battery is disconnected. Got, looks like power everything, heated seats, all that good stuff. Actually got the same color interior as my, um, shoot, no manual. That sucks. Always like to get a owner's manual with them. broken windshield. Um, Appearance-wise, inside, it's not too bad. It's pretty clean, really. So anyway, supposed to pick up the parts for it next Tuesday, and I'm going to start tearing it apart. Try to get it down to get all this sheet metal and stuff like that off the motor, and see if we can't get it to turn over. So anyway, this is it. Second project. My wife thinks I'm lost my mind. I haven't been able to sell the Cavalier yet because I'm waiting on the title. I have to apply for an Indiana rebuilt title, which I've done, and I haven't received the new title for it yet. But once I do, the Cavalier's a nice car. It runs great. I haven't been able to take it out on the road or anything like that. Needed a front bumper cover, as I've said in the other videos. It's a nice car, 73,000 miles on it. And, anyway, we're going to see what happens, take it from there, try to get this thing stripped down and see if there's any other major damage, and go from there. So anyway, we'll keep you guys updated as I make progress, and hopefully I'll have some good news on the parts that I go pick up. And I'm not going to show me tearing it down because everybody knows, that's going to take a while. I've got the windshield. The price on that is reasonable from Safelite. They can come out and do the windshield. $270 includes the fee. The trip charge, I guess, is what I'm looking for. And but right now they have a promo where you can get that deducted, $25 coupon off. So I could do the windshield myself, but honestly, I don't want to transport it and take a chance of breaking it. But anyway, for $270, I'm going to let them do it. So anyway, that's where we're at right now. Hope to make some progress on it, get going on this thing. I was going to pump up the tires. That's why you hear the compressor in the background right now. All right. Like I said, I'm not going to show me tearing parts off. You guys know what I'm up against. I'll show it as I progress, probably. So, all right. We'll talk to you guys or post something later. All right. Have a good one.